mean, I'm not going to sound optimistic over here as well, क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल भी होप नहीं था कि मेरा हो जाएगा.
And when I say serious application, it means clarity of thought. It means a very rigorous academic background, a complete alignment of your previous background and what you're going for.
अपॉइंटमेंट लेने के लिए ही आपको APS सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत होती है.
शर्मा जी का बेटा.
Okay, going to abroad.
Going abroad.
हाँ.
I thought you were picking out my grammatical errors.
What does it take to crack a German public university? Does it really require a 9 GPA or does it require a lot of extracurriculars? So मेरे पास बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आते हैं कि German public universities कैसे क्रैक करना है, to do podcast on the same. So when Ruchika got her visa recently approved, I thought ठीक है कर लेते हैं. So first of all, welcome to the podcast, Ruchika.
Thank you so much.
अभी our visa is done, our flight is booked.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous, but I'm feeling good at times. मतलब वो जो feeling है ना, वो time to time वो change हो रही है.
Okay. चेंज हो रही है मतलब कहाँ से कहाँ चेंज हो रही है?
मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग हियर, आई एम फीलिंग गुड कि ये सारा जर्नी हुआ, बट वंस आई मूव आउट ऑफ दिस प्लेस आई विल फील लाइक कि यार आई शुड बी रीथिंकिंग अबाउट माई डिसीजन ऑफ गोइंग.
It's a change.
Yeah.
People don't adapt to change very easily.
I think one of the major reasons why I'm feeling this way is because no one in my family has ever gone to abroad before. Yeah.
And how does that make you feel? Like, is it a proud moment?
Indeed it is actually. I mean, I am feeling much more superior than all of them. Even
शर्मा जी का बेटा.
yes.
That's great. ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, शुरू से शुरू करते हैं.
Okay.
Like, when did this thought actually come कि बाहर जाना है? You specifically, you're from Delhi itself, right?
Yes.
You hail from Delhi. तो and you mentioned कि अभी तो घर पे you're the first one who's moving abroad. So from where did it all start?
I would say there was this one day जहाँ पर मेरे एक रिलेटिव हैं, बहुत क्लोज रिलेटिव हैं, और उन्हें मैंने देखा, he went to Canada.
Okay.
And that amazed me a lot. I mean, एक वो बहुत पॉजिटिव वाला जो एक होता है ना, अमेजमेंट, that I saw on his face, he was so happy, you know, being over there, being in some different place and adapting to all those difficulties. और difficulty ना एक टाइम के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, that is like part of yourself now. ठीक है, so that really amazed me, and I think there were 2 or 3 more factors that I cannot think about right now. But then that was the time when I decided, like 4 or 5 years back, that I must be starting with this process of going to abroad.
Okay, going to abroad.
Going abroad.
हाँ.
I thought you were picking out my grammatical errors.
So you're done with that.
मेरा क्वेश्चन आ रहा था आगे.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, all right. So you plan to move on abroad, and you mentioned your close relative, they went to Canada.
Yeah.
Canada and now Germany. What's the relation? What's the decision? What was the path?
I was fascinated with Canada before, but as the time went by and I kept looking at the things that I did not like in Canada, I started moving ahead with this Europe continent. Yeah. And that was the time when I decided कि यार, if I have to spend a huge amount of money, which students usually do while going for abroad studies, तो हम ऐसा क्यों ना करें कि हम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एक बाहर जा सकें, मतलब हम अपनी स्टडीज़ को फुलफिल कर सकें या कंप्लीट कर सकें. I mean, that was the time when I chose and came to this decision of going to Germany.
Okay.
What are these factors though? I'm sorry to cut you in between. What are these factors in Canada that you disliked or you did not appreciate, which you mentioned?
I like winters, but I don't like harsh winters. This was one of the reasons. So another reason for not choosing Canada would be that there was there was a huge amount of Indians over there, and I mean, according to me, for me, I would say कि अगर मैं कहीं बाहर जा रही हूँ, I would expect more foreigners. क्योंकि I mean, I'm not stepping into everyone's shoes, but I would say कि
for you personally, you wanted a very diverse class.
Exactly. That's true.
So, all right, Ruchika. तो इसलिए Canada नहीं and Germany and the European sector.
Yes.
Any other countries that you were looking forward to when it came to European sector?
Definitely there were, but Germany के लिए specifically उसको choose करने का reason सिर्फ ये नहीं था because there were like free of cost education. पहली बात तो यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट में सबसे टॉप मोस्ट जो प्रायोरिटी जो होती है स्टूडेंट्स की और जो टॉप मोस्ट जो कंट्री आती है जो यूरोप में दैट इज जर्मनी इटसेल्फ. ठीक है. इवन आफ्टर फेसिंग दैट inflation, even then they worked really well. I mean, it all worked off really well. So all these were the reasons why I chose Germany and not other countries. Although I was looking at them, but then I came to this conclusion that I should be focusing on Germany itself. Yeah.
ठीक है. Question to you, ma'am. That when in Germany is specifically known for mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, and Ruchika coming from a creative background, literature background, and even wanting to pursue the same, and then taking up Germany. What was your take on it? It's doable? It's not doable? What were your thoughts?
See, Germany is definitely a technical hub. But besides that, every degree that you pursue in Germany is good. ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक major factor है that Germany is only good for technical. That's not true.
Okay.
It's better for technical degrees, but it's good for everybody. And besides, German culture is extremely rich. If you look at the arts, music, history, all of it is very rich. So I think the degree that you're going forward to in Germany as well, it's a quite renowned degree and you have a good quality of education overall also. Germany में हर degree बहुत ही depth में पढ़ाई जाती है. So in spite of any degree that you take, you will do good in Germany.
All right. So Ruchika, for you specifically, अब मैं बोलूँ कि right now all the students या तो management करना है, MBA करना है, tech background वहाँ पे जाना है. You coming from a literature background, wanting to pursue the same. University of Göttingen, MA in literature and cultures. So now if you're going ahead with that, so how do you feel you will be able to cope up in Germany with that?
I won't say it would be an easy task, but let's go the hard way.
नहीं देखो क्रिएटिव फील्ड में क्या होता है यूजुअली यू हैव टू लाइक इंटरैक्ट अ लॉट, यू हैव टू स्पीक विद पीपल, लॉट ऑफ नेटवर्किंग दैट यू नीड टू डू. तो लैंग्वेज बहुत बड़ा बैरियर बनेगा.
हाँ वो तो बनेगा बट इनिशियली आई वॉज रीथिंकिंग अबाउट माई डिसीजंस ऑफ गोइंग टू जर्मनी. सो सिंस माई मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन वॉज इन इंग्लिश आई थॉट कि हो जाएगा मैनेज, हो जाएगा मतलब मैनेजेबल होगा. बट आउटसाइड दैट कैंपस थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक रहेगा. बट आई थिंक वंस यू इवॉल्व इनटू दैट एनवायरनमेंट धीरे धीरे चीज़ें ठीक होती जाती हैं एंड यू गेट अ ग्रास्प ओवर देयर लैंग्वेज. तो आई थिंक दैट वुड बी इट.
And know German language?
I know the A1 level, but not very well. I mean, I didn't get any time to work upon it.
Can you speak German language?
Ich heiße Ruchika. My name is Ruchika. Yeah, that's all.
Well done.
All right, great. ठीक है. तो Ruchika, you were mentioning about अभी Germany public university. So was cost the only factor कि Germany लिया है, or was there anything else that came up to your mind?
Like I just mentioned like 2-3 questions back, कि that was not the only reason because I think cost efficient होना is not can merely not be the only reason for one to choose one country or one university. There are many other factors. पहली बात तो जैसे अभी जब हम लोगों ने इसको comparison करा था इसका कनाडा से, Canadian winters are very harsh, very harsh. आज तक जर्मनी में जो विंटर्स का जो गया है टेम्परेचर दैट इज अप टू -10. I think which is somewhat because I come from a family who loves to travel, like we travel every month. ठीक है. तो I have been to those places जो कि -5 -6 के अराउंड मतलब मुझे आराम से हो जाता है. बट आई थिंक -10 भी हो ही जाएगा.
Now besides you'll have to cope up. But I think there's a lot of amenities also which makes it easier to cope up with.
Exactly. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है accommodation ढूंढना, but once you get it, I think सब कुछ बहुत smoothly होता रहता है. And there's a term called Anmeldung. तो जर्मन में इसको कहते हैं Anmeldung, which is the city registration.
So Ruchika, starting से you were very clear in your head कि private university, public university difference क्या है, कैसे जाना है. You did that research जब Canada Germany वाला differentiation चल रहा था.
I didn't know about that, but since I was looking on this country of Canada, तो तब मुझे इतना ज़्यादा differentiation लगा नहीं क्योंकि cost wise भी ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं. ठीक है. I mean, हाँ, definitely the private universities were hugely expensive in Canada, or like as compared to the public universities. But even then, I mean, अगर कोई middle class family का अगर कोई इंसान जाना चाहेगा in Canada, I mean, it would take a lot of money even then. ठीक है. And then like moving ahead, when I looked into this European universities, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है, ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क था, बहुत ज़्यादा. And that made me truly happy. Yeah.
So did you already set out your budget that this is my budget very clearly? Because most of the students, when they come to us, they're not clear about the budget.
You know, it's not about the budget, to be very honest, क्योंकि initially when I was not aware of this thing कि जर्मनी में ऐसे होता है या वैसे होता है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कहीं ना एक इंसान एडजस्ट कर लेता है कि नहीं, if you are getting your desired course, if you are getting your desired university, तो एक बार को हो जाता है एडजस्ट मनी. ठीक है, you take the loan, you take what not. But money was not an issue. But I wanted, who doesn't want a free cost, a free university?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So in your shortlist, Ruchika, there were private public universities both, या हम सिर्फ टारगेट कर रहे थे स्टार्टिंग से पब्लिक करना?
नहीं, I was provided with the private universities, but जो maximum जो weightage था, that was of public universities.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So, ma'am, according to you, what does it take to crack public universities?
I think firstly, particularly Germany requires a very serious application, and when I say serious application, it means clarity of thought. It means a very rigorous academic background, a complete alignment of your previous background and what you're going for. So you cannot say that, okay, I'm an engineer, I have done some managerial work and I want to do an MBA now. That doesn't happen in Germany. It completely needs to be in sync. It takes something, in a research segment you need to be very strong, and research doesn't necessarily mean कि आपको एक research paper लिखना है, but even in college, let's say you were good in your academics, that gives a hint you were good at research, or you did some projects, otherwise you did some dissertations, वो सब count होता है, right? Lastly, when you're writing your recipe, you cannot cook up stories in Germany.
Absolutely.
You cannot do that, right? When most of the schools in maybe US, you would want to make a very nice highlight of your story and assume it will work. Germany, they're very clear about diligence. So they need clarity of thought कि आपको लाइफ में क्या करना है आगे चल के, and आपने पास्ट में क्या किया है in that segment.
Exactly. I would also like to add one point over here. While I was filling out this application form, I had to provide them a huge number of, my documents. And even then, they were not, satisfied.
What kind of documents?
Like apart from my academics, they were asking for my LORs, and they were asking to, get in touch with, where I can get them in touch with my professors.
Okay.
ठीक है. और उसके अलावा भी they were asking me कि अच्छा professors का क्या है, उनका designation क्या है क्या नहीं है. I very थोड़ा सा धुंधला है मेरा memory चीज में, but I remember that I had to contact them at least 4 or 5 times just for this application form, particularly in Germany.
One fact is with German applications, they don't ask for a lot of things. They ask for academics, but then they're going to go in depth about academics. Right?
Exactly.
Then they need every single document in relation with your academics. They might ask you to get it testified. बहुत सारे डॉक्यूमेंट लेवल पे बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस होते हैं जर्मनी में, एंड व्हेन आई से एवरीथिंग बिकम्स मोर सीरियस व्हेन इट्स जर्मनी, यू नीड टू मेक श्योर योर लेट्स से रिकमेंडेशन लेटर व्हेन यू ड्राफ्टेड, तो उसमें आपका डेजिग्नेशन प्रोफेसर का बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन नॉट टेक इट फ्रॉम एन असिस्टेंट
And even a letterhead.
letterhead for that matter. I mean, other countries also have these requirements, but in Germany it's like patthar ki lakeer.
Nitty-gritties are very important.
Very important.
Very important.
So very, very serious and a very mature application. A very, very highly qualitative application for sure. And I think even if you do that and explain your academics very nicely, one more thing is that your credits, if your grades are not that good, but if you've covered very good subjects, they count every single credit, which is ECTS, जो European credit system है, and they qualify your degree according to ECTS. So I think that is what in Ruchika's case was also very important.
ठीक है, तो अगर हम सीरियस एप्लीकेशन की बात करें यहाँ पे रुचिका, when we come to our profile, we all know that we didn't have the best scores out there. So starting से वो faith था कि public university हो जाएगा?
To be very honest, नहीं था. बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. I have never been a bright student, but I mean I'm not going to sound optimistic over here as well. क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल भी होप नहीं था कि मेरा हो जाएगा. That too in a German university when I've heard so many things about it, that they are so much particular about what they do, what they give their, you know, whom they give their admission to.
Yes.
तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, but eventually I think जैसे जैसे चीज़ें होती गई वो थोड़ा सा बिल्ड होता गया एक फेथ. बाकी बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट 80% ऑफ दिस ये जो ये प्रोसेस था ना, इसमें मुझे आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली होपलेस कि देखा जाएगा, नहीं भी होगा तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्टिंग से मैंने वाली चीज़ सोच रखा था कि नहीं होगा.
और नहीं होगा तो व्हाट वाज द बैकअप?
वर्किंग हियर इन इंडिया, व्हाट एल्स कैन आई डू?
So according to you, ma'am, is it like a good GPA? Is it really required 8 or 9 GPA?
So I'll break it down. I'll break your question down. A good GPA is required,
Okay.
but 8 or 9 is not required. How we classify our CGPAs in India, technically if somebody comes around with 7 or 7.5, हम उसको average CGPA बोलते हैं.
Absolutely.
Which completely is not true, as well as it is not a true reflection of your CGPA. When you convert your Indian CGPA or percentage to a US based grade scale out of 4, it changes, right? In fact, we've seen students आपका 75% होगा इंडिया में, but it changes to 3.7
Yes.
in the US case. So it's similarly for Germany. Like I said, ECTS, the credits
Yes.
are, you know, the main thing, right? So even if let's assume, let's take your case, the CGPA was not the best, but the subjects that she has covered, one, they are completely in alignment with what they're going to teach in the master's program
Yes.
that you're taking up. So how they are judging is not just कि आप out of 10 आपका grade scale अच्छा है, but you will be able to, you know, adeptly able to cover the degree that they're going to offer you, right? So a good way to judge that is आप अपना masters जिसको pursue करना चाहते हो, go to that course page, understand the subjects, then head back to your transcript, match the subjects, how much they are in alignment. And even if you have a CGPA of let's say 6, 6.5 or even lower, but your subjects are completely in alignment, you can kind of compare it to having a 7.5 CGPA. That's the go-to trick that we also internally follow. So for us to commit to any student कि आप public school जा सकते हो, these are the basic checks that we do. Had your CGPA not been very good and even the subjects didn't match, yes, we would have transparently discussed that okay, the public school is going to be extremely tough for you.
Yes.
Right? So let's not say आपका 8-9 CGPA होना चाहिए. You should minimum आपका CGPA at least 5.5 होना चाहिए to be able to apply. In fact, minimum.
Okay.
5.5 is a must-have. But beyond that, then it's an internal rigorous check that we do at Ace My Prep to qualify your degree and come about which degree in Germany is going to match with you.
Alright. So, ma'am, as you mentioned कि SOPs, essays need to be very qualitative. So, Ruchika, how was your experience with the qualitative essays? How did it go?
In respect to SOPs?
Yes,
LORs?
your SOPs, the editing part.
Okay. I still remember the time when I was filling my application form. I mean, when you were filling my application form. तो आई रिमेंबर कि SOP के लिए ना आई वॉज वेरी मच कन्फ्यूज कि क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे होता है SOP, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस. तो बिकॉज आई वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी मच डूम्ड, आई कैन से. आई डोंट नो वेदर आई शुड बी यूजिंग दिस वोकैबुलरी और नॉट, बट आई वॉज लाइक कि मैं कौन से वाले वर्ड्स अपने लिए मैं मेंशन करूँ, मैं पुट इन करूँ उस एक पेज में जो कि आने चाहिए टू डिस्क्राइब माई आइडेंटिटी. यू नो दैट यू हैव टू, आई मीन बिकॉज यू हैव टू मेंशन योर सेल्फ इन दैट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस. तो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द टाइम व्हेन आई वाज सो मच कंफ्यूज्ड. सो आई टॉक टू द CS and he told me that everything will go fine, you just have to relax and you just have to give me some very basic pointers about yourself. And I did that. I mean, to be very honest, even making those pointers were a bit hard क्योंकि like वो बहुत general questions थे, but deep down I think no one has ever thought about that, you know, themselves, which is called as introspection. तो कभी किसी ने इतना सोचा नहीं होता खुद के बारे में, तो एकदम से when they put all of that, you know, into that plate in front of you, you just get confused. तो थोड़ा सा मुझे टाइम लगा, बट देन व्हेन आई लाइक फाइनली व्हेन आई गॉट दैट SOP in my hand, I was so happy. I mean, I have saved that in my folder and I will be keeping that. I will be using that for a very long term.
So when it comes to कि SOP में questions ऐसे थे that you never thought about this, all these things about in your life. So what exact questions were these?
सबसे पहला जो मेरे दिमाग में सवाल आ रहा है इस वक्त वो है कि who am I? I never thought about that.
Deep.
Who am I? I mean, in spite of, except just keeping my name aside and my gender aside, I don't know who am I. ठीक है. इसके अलावा जो सवाल थे कुछ वो थे मेरी स्ट्रेंथ्स, वो थी मेरी वीकनेसेस, वो थे मेरी थोड़ा सा फैमिली बैकग्राउंड और ऐसे कौन सी चीज़ें जिन्होंने मुझे इन्फ्लुएंस किया in my life overall and not just in terms of going abroad. So yeah, these were the questions that I can think about right now.
Out of curiosity,
Yes.
who are you?
That's a good question.
What was your approach to when you were thinking about yourself to answer this question, who am I? What was your approach? Research किया, ढूंढे formal answers, samples देखे, or you genuinely just try to introspect and make your answers?
Honestly speaking, I went to my mother straight away and I sat with her and I told her about this, that okay, what should be written in this thing, in this question. So she started telling me about these things, that although you were not a bright kid, she was very sure about it. So she said that although you were not a very bright kid since the very childhood, but since and like also you were the youngest one, तो we can understand कि चलो ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ब्रैट चाइल्ड हुआ है पैदा, इसको पालते हैं संभालते हैं. तो I don't remember the exact answers or the exact pointers that I mentioned over there, but these were the things that happened, behind the curtains.
This was the approach.
Yes.
ठीक है. All right. So we all know कि German portals जो होते हैं हमारे university portals, they are very confusing. Straight away कुछ नहीं होता. How did we deal with it? How did the team deal with it?
I think first part is that I believe the basic is that German portals are usually divided into set of two portals.
Okay.
First, your applications go through a standardized portal called UniAssist.
Okay.
Right, and then there's a university-specific portal. Right. To make it easy, when you go to your target university's course page and you go through the instructions given there, I think it is very clearly mentioned. What all steps are supposed to be followed. Now the point is, if you start your step 1 and then you forget to come back to that page and refer to the next steps, of course you will never complete your application, because जब आप पहले पोर्टल पे चले गए वहाँ से आपको next step नहीं पता चलता. It does not auto direct you to the next step. So you have to always come back to the process, which is by the way very nicely given on German websites. Just keep on following it. And I think the most confusing part would be that when you register yourself first, documents वहाँ upload नहीं होते. So usually German schools, they wait for another 10 days until they provide you with a link on an email, where you can go and upload your documents. So the email transaction and the communication is something which becomes very important. So we create an alternate ID for students, right? So one part is we're always on the toes with every email that lands in the inbox. तो हर student के एक mail पे बहुत ज़्यादा tight hold रहता है. That's the first point. Second is that all these deadlines in the system are very nicely managed, so we don't miss anything. And the third step is, of course, the people who are dealing with German applications. I think they have been doing it day in, day out, so they're all well read in that regard. So we could manage it, but yeah, the basic thing is don't miss out or don't skip the reading part of your website. Bookmark the university application process page, and you're good to go.
तो उसमें जो आपने nicely written बोला है वो actually nicely है या sarcasm nicely?
No, it's pretty nicely given. To be very honest, German websites are not very fancy when you compare them against US, Canada, all these university websites. But the point is, when you click on several links and you finally reach the page, then everything is very concisely given in just a few words. तो वहाँ से consolidate करना information easy है. It's just you have to land to the right page.
हाँ. The journey is very important.
Journey is tough, but then the destination is good.
ठीक है. Absolutely. So that brings me to the another question. अभी रुचिका आपने जब पहले बोला था कि LORs के लिए they were very particular. हर professor से they were their designation, everything they were asking. What was the exact process with LORs when it came?
अच्छा, इसके साथ मुझे एक और पॉइंट मेंशन करना है
हाँ.
कि LOR के ना एक्चुअली लाइक एवरीवन टेल यू टू ब्रिंग एन LOR टू देम, बट नो वन गिव्स यू अ ड्राफ्ट कि एग्जैक्टली कैसे उस चीज का ड्राफ्टिंग होना चाहिए. एंड needless to say that basically I was provided with all the things that were needed to be there. I mean मुझे पहले से पहले ही I was prepared with a draft.
Okay.
Yeah, ठीक है. And
मतलब खुद प्रिपेयर किया था?
नहीं, you guys prepared that.
अच्छा, वैसे.
Yeah, हाँ. So I simply had to contact my professors, जो ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं रहा, and I just had to give them that sheet of paper, and they just had to fill the basic things, जो कि मतलब whatever quality they find in me, and I simply मतलब वो बस मैंने उसको अपलोड कर दिया था या एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म के अराउंड. तो इट हैज़ बिन एन ईजी प्रोसेस, जो कि थोड़ा सा हो सकता था हेक्टिक. मतलब आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट सच थिंग्स फ्रॉम अदर स्टूडेंट्स कि उनको एक थोड़ा सा होता है, थोड़ा सा उनको आता है, दिक्कत आती है, मुश्किलें आती हैं कि कैसे बनाना है, क्या बनाना है, क्या लिखना है. आई डिडंट हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दैट
बिकॉज ऑफ द करेक्ट
एनी ऑफ दैट टू बी प्रिसाइज. हाँ,
ठीक है, मतलब वो चीज आप तक कभी आई नहीं बिकॉज दैट वाज सॉर्टेड आउट इंटरनली.
एग्जैक्टली, या बिफोरहैंड. यस,
परफेक्ट. ओके.
How did you select your professors? Because that's a major question.
I was not in touch with many professors even back then in college, but whosoever knew me and whosoever I thought that they would remember me, I simply contacted them. Not everyone contacted me back because they had a very major thing that since it has been years, since we have taught you, तो उस चीज़ के लिए they were like कि we cannot write down a letter of recommendation for you. But then there were some who provided those to me the very next day. तो हाँ, थोड़ा सा ups and downs थे, but हो गया.
तो डेजिग्नेशन वाज इम्पोर्टेंट या बस नोइंग देम वाज द ओनली फैक्टर?
नहीं, एक तो ये वाला चीज था कि सिंस आई हैव डन माय इंग्लिश ऑनर्स फ्रॉम अंबेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी इन माय बैचलर्स, तो मेरा जो मेरा सब्जेक्ट था दैट वाज इन इंग्लिश, और जो मेरा माइनर था दैट वाज इन हिंदी. आई डिडंट नो दिस थिंग कि हिंदी प्रोफेसर्स को हम नहीं चूज कर सकते क्योंकि मेरा मास्टर्स इन इंग्लिश होगा in Germany. I wasn't aware of that.
Okay.
हाँ, तो I started to go and look for my Hindi professors. But then things didn't work out. The CS told me कि वो नहीं आप ले सकते हो. You have to find some English professors. तो थोड़ा सा मुझे हुआ था दिक्कत. But then हो गया था.
This I remember.
Yeah.
Your CS came to me for this. This is the scenario, and it was very obvious. In fact,
I genuinely didn't have any single idea about it कि we cannot choose them. I mean, मुझे बहुत general एक perspective था, एक perception था, sorry, कि since they have taught me, all of them have taught me, तो वो तो किसी का भी चलेगा. और yeah.
No, not that's why it's not really like that, because they would kind of give you a recommendation, which in a general sense is good. They would say, okay, she was an obedient student, she was good at communication, but what the skill set, the hard skills that they're recommending you for needs to be in alignment with, again, the course that you're taking up.
Yeah.
So I remember having this discussion with your career strategist.
ऑलराइट. तो अभी हम जब इतनी बात कर रहे हैं, वन बॉटम लाइन और वन नटशेल में अगर इसको मैं डालूं, करेक्ट गाइडेंस इज व्हाट ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट नीड्स, राइट?
एब्सोल्युटली,
एग्जैक्टली. बहुत आई विल टेल यू इन दिस एंटायर इंडस्ट्री या वैसे स्टूडेंट्स को भी व्हेन दे सी कि चीजें फ्री में हो रही हो, व्हेन देयर आर मेनी काउंसलर्स एजेंट्स हु वर्क ऑन टाई-अप्स, उनको तो फ्री में हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज फ्लारी देयर, लेट्स गो, राइट? अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, what is the basic difference to even choose the right counselor? How would you make that differentiation?
Okay, let me go from the very starting point. I remember that part where Corona just got over, and I was looking for consultants here and there. I went to every possible place जिनका भी मुझे लग रहा था that they could be reliable to me या जो भी है. But then there was this point where I came to this decision. I looked at the reviews. I think Google reviews plays a very big role. Plus, I knew one or two references who told me about this agency. Yeah. And then that was the time when I decided to go ahead with this consultancy, and here I am. And to be very honest, it's not like I mean, I'm not going to say rest of the words just because I'm sitting with you two right now, but because I actually love this journey. You know, it has it has been a long time, and I actually enjoyed it. I didn't have to do anything, to be very honest. I didn't have to do anything, but that doesn't make me, I mean, उससे ना ये नहीं होता है कि मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि प्रोसेस में क्या चल रहा है, कि पीछे क्या चल रहा है. आई वॉज अवेयर ऑफ एवरी सिंगल स्टेप, आई वॉज इन्फॉर्म्ड ऑफ एवरी सिंगल स्टेप. जिस दिन मेरा ईमेल आईडी बनाया गया था, इट वॉज शेयर टू मी. आई वॉज अपडेटेड अबाउट एवरी पॉसिबल थिंग जो कि हो रहा था. बट हाँ, एक ये वाला चीज़ है कि जिस चीज़ के लिए मुझे ओवरवेलमिंग लग सकता था कि यार मुझे ये वाला चीज़ भी करना है, मुझे LOR बनाना है, मुझे SOP बनाना है, बहुत हज़ारों चीज़ें होती हैं. वो सारी चीज़ें ऐसा लगा कि जैसे कि बर्डन, मतलब ना कंधे से बोझ उतार दिया गया हो और बहुत आराम से हो गया हो. एंड दैट वाज द डे, दैट इज द डे, यू नो, लाइक आई एम सिटिंग राइट हियर एंड आई फील लाइक I am so happy that I spent my money. To be very honest.
ठीक है, but that is something जो यहाँ आने के बाद हुआ.
हाँ.
So when you came here initially,
Yes.
what was that X factor कि नहीं यार अब तो मुझे इन्हीं के साथ करना है. Google reviews is something separate. You came here in person, you took up session. What was that thing specifically?
Okay, I remember the first day when I visited here, and I remember talking to, can I take the name? Nikhil? Okay, and I talked to Nikhil. Okay, and it speaks a lot about the personality, how you present yourself, how you describe yourself, how you describe the agency, and how the things are going to be happened in the next, you know, the time span.
Absolutely.
Yeah. तो मुझे वो चीज़ ना, I mean, although I talked to about 50 or 100 other consultants of Delhi, but once I came here, entered into that door and talked to Nikhil, I was surprised. Honestly, I was surprised. Everything he said made it so easy, like this entire journey, this entire process, कि नहीं हो जाएगा, you don't worry, we will be there for you. And he didn't, you know, although I never met him again after that day, but on a very honest note, I loved this thing. I mean, मुझे बिल्कुल भी difficulties नहीं हुई. I mean, मैं अगर कैमरे से हटके भी अगर मैं बोलूँ, I loved it. I loved it.
Really glad.
Yeah. I mean, I am meeting you for the first time, but
Yeah.
still, I mean, I'm seeing you for the very first time, but still, I loved this thing, pata hai. I loved this entire thing, and not just me. Even my mother has said this thing. हाँ, initially हमें लगा कि यार, okay, आपके पास वो 3 packages थे, जिसमें से I chose one, like you know. That was the time when I thought कि नहीं यार, बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. But every day you made me feel कि नहीं, it is worth it. It is worth it. I remember first day I met her. ठीक है. And since that day I knew her and I've been in contact with her on and off. But I have loved this agency, to be very honest. Yeah. That's it.
But we're really glad, I think.
Exactly.
See, this is when we also started. I think हर स्टूडेंट की जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है with a hope, with the fact that okay, we have a challenge and we have to get the student to the end dream. And it's one reason is that all of the team in fact is very passionate about what they are doing, and when that happens automatically it gets replicated, you know, to the student's profile. Being a student who's that passionate definitely helps a lot. Frankly,
Yes.
we could have not done it without you, because when you have the same replication from the students, and it makes it more fun, it makes it more viable, right? Besides the journey that you're sharing, I think the point is most of the students don't understand it's not about the destination, it's about the journey too that you spend with the counselor. It goes up and down sometimes, but these are the expressions that we want from a student, that happy phase that finally my dreams are coming true. And I think that's why we all started, that's why we all work every day. So I cannot tell you how glad I am. Besides many a time when you were in office, I always knew that you're here. And जो भी problem था, we always used to discuss it. I think what would make us strong is that we all come together and we get it done.
Absolutely. Even I remember the time ki when you were not able to reach your CS or anything was going south and you were like, Ashmita, ye karna hai. Even if it was 7 in the evening, 8 in the evening, we used to connect.
Yes.
That is the kind of connect that we also build with the students. कि ऐसा नहीं है कि ठीक है working hours हो गए फिर आगे बात नहीं करनी.
हाँ.
Right? So that is something because that was important. So ठीक है, you mentioned about the Google reviews. What is your review about Ace Network?
I think I have covered most of it, but हाँ,
एक
again,
लाइन में बोलना हो तो
you should try it. You should go ahead with it. If you're looking for, like settling down or going for abroad in respect to studies, you must try it. You must give it a go. This is what I like. I mean, I would like to say right now. Yeah.
Okay. Any feedback that you would want, like maybe कहीं improve करना है?
नहीं यार, you were good.
नहीं, we would genuinely want to know.
नहीं, मैंने genuinely ही बोला है. I don't fake it.
Okay, great.
I don't fake it.
That's awesome.
ठीक है, perfect. So Ruchika, one piece of advice that you would give to all the Germany aspirants out there.
Okay. I know that there would be a lot of people who would say कि नहीं, you must not learn German. हो जाएगा, चल जाएगा. But unlike India, where we accept like people from different cultures और उन्हें इतना difficulty नहीं होता है. बट प्लीज़ लर्न जर्मन प्लीज़. बहुत काम आएगा भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएगा. बहुत ज़्यादा. मैंने भी नहीं करा है. आई हैव सम टाइम लेफ्ट एंड आई एम वर्किंग अपॉन इट.
All right.
What are your plans once you land there?
I have to complete my documentations. As far as I've heard that it approximately takes up to 15 days to complete your documentations because in Germany थोड़ा सा ना चीज़ें ज़्यादा धीरे धीरे होती हैं. थोड़ा सा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन के साथ होती हैं. वहाँ इंडिया के लाइक वी कॉल इंडिया कि चलो कभी कभार हम लोग देरी कर देते हैं, बट प्लीज लैंड इन जर्मनी एंड सी द थिंग्स योरसेल्फ. बहुत ज़्यादा धीरे होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा डिले होता है.
Lot of checks.
Yes.
Lot of checks.
Yeah. तो वो approximately 15 to 20 days लग जाते हैं. And then I like simultaneously my classes will be commencing from 8th of April. So I have to start with those as well. And then like simultaneously again I have to search for a part-time job. Yeah.
So what is worrying you now as you get closer to going?
I have started speaking a lot less as I'm growing up. So that is wondering, like that is making me anxious a lot, to be very honest, because since I'm moving to another country and I have to socialize anyhow.
Yes.
Even without my will, I have to do that.
Networking.
To make the connections.
Yes.
And that is worrying me a bit, to be very honest. Yeah.
Okay.
Then-
What about accommodation? Sorry. I don't
Accommodation.
get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what about accommodation?
I am looking into it. It did seem to be क्या होता है यार वो शब्द?
Difficult?
नहीं. It did seem to be थोड़ा सा task taking. But I have just started to meet people online like day before yesterday, and I already have 9 properties in my hands.
Meet as in?
I have to get like
So you're just getting in touch with them.
Yeah.
How exactly are we doing that?
There is I don't know the pronunciation of that.
हाँ ठीक है. There is a portal, there is an application जो भी है बोल दो.
I don't know German at all. वो वेगे गेसूस्ट करके कुछ है. वेगे गेसूस्ट.
We'll put the link in the description.
Yeah. So there is this platform Vege. There you have to. I mean that is the most reliable platform where students find an accommodation for themselves, and I'm doing the same thing for myself. And you simply have to go there. You have to connect to those people whom you think कि चलो जिनका accommodation आपके favor में आ रहा है, जिनका like money wise, land wise, property wise और वो यूनिवर्सिटी से कितना पास है, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती हैं. प्लस एक जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है जर्मनी में कि दैट एवरीवन हैज़ टू गो फॉर, दैट एवरीवन हैज़ टू लुक फॉर कि वार्म रेंट है या कोल्ड रेंट है. और अगर कोल्ड रेंट है तो ज़्यादा कुछ बात करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज यू नो दैट नन ऑफ द अमेनिटीज आर गोइंग टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन दैट रेंट. बट इफ दे आर गोइंग टू बी प्रोवाइडेड विद द वार्म रेंट, देन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि वार्म रेंट में क्या क्या इंक्लूसिव है एंड एक्सक्लूडेड है. यस. So you have to make sure about that. Nothing else. बाकी सब कुछ बहुत smooth है.
Great.
Yeah.
So what are your expectations out of this degree?
I will be provided with many internships. and I am a person who would call myself as an opportunist. So if I will be getting an opportunity out there in Germany or in some other country perhaps, then I would go for that. Otherwise, there is always an option of coming back at your place and starting a business over here. So I didn't actually think about it much because I know this thing very clearly that once you step out of that comfort zone and go into some other country, you get to see thousands of other shades of yourself. Yeah. So I am not, like मैंने पकड़ के नहीं रखा है खुद को. I am open to every place out there. Yeah.
Great. ठीक है. Perfect. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Ruchika, how excited are you?
I would say 8.
सोच के बोला, बाकी दो कहाँ गए?
बाकी के दो, you are going to be leaving your family, you are going to be leaving your comfort people who provides you that that love and basically the people who know you, who know the real you will be leaving all those people behind. तो थोड़ा सा वो चीज़ है. बाकी I have never been to any place alone. Like I've just told you that I'm the youngest child of my family, so they still see me as a 5-year-old. they actually do. तो yeah, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा है, but I think हो जाएगा. I have taken this decision because of some very major reasons. और ये बचपना नहीं होता है बाहर जाना.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Learn how to cook?
I knew that.
Great. Then you sorted it.
I knew that.
So now we have with us our own visa officer, Prachi. Welcome to the podcast, Prachi.
थैंक यू अस्मिता.
ठीक है. So Prachi, usually US, UK, Canada ये हमारे common countries होते हैं.
Right.
Germany का visa process is very tedious. So
Right.
can you just throw some light कि documents क्या required होते हैं exactly for German visa?
Okay, so first thing, what are the document needed like for the German visa process? Like application form, SOP, motivation letter, and that is a very important document, APS certificate and the blocked account. So that these two document is very important. Like what is APS certificate? So APS certificate is a a requirement for all the Indian student requesting a long stay student visa. So if you are or in order to apply a student visa, so you need a APS certificate. Must have
Mandatory,
you should
yeah.
have a APS certificate. So the basically which is the evidence of your like validity of their Indian academic record. ठीक है. So इसमें that is even without APS के आप ऑफर लेटर रिसीव कर सकते हो यूनिवर्सिटी से, बट आप वीजा प्रोसेस इनिशिएट नहीं कर सकते. So that is a very important. So SAB is a blocked account is very important. So अगर आप जर्मनी प्लान कर रहे हो like for the study purpose and for the short term courses also, so blocked account is very important, जिसमें कि you can prove your sufficient financial requirement on your blocked account, जो आपका पूरा 1 year का living and 1 year का expense आपका blocked account में cover करना होता है.
Okay.
So basically that is a requirement. And ये दो तो
ये मेन है हमारे. ओके, ऑलराइट. अभी जब आपने एपीएस की बात करी, इट्स लाइक अ मेजर प्रोसेस ब्लॉकर. हम रुक जाते हैं बिकॉज देयर इज अ थर्ड पार्टी पेंडेंसी. यार एपीएस आया नहीं अब तक, अब क्या करें? हम वी आर स्टक देयर, वी आर हेल्पलेस.
Okay.
तो जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क यू कि कितना टाइम लगता है, व्हाट वाज द एग्जैक्ट थिंग बिहाइंड एपीएस कि कब शुरू करना चाहिए एपीएस?
राइट. सो इसमें इट्स माय पर्सनल सजेशन. सो जो भी स्टूडेंट जर्मनी आने का प्लान कर रहे हैं तो उन्हें अपना एपीएस, इसमें देयर इज अ नो टाइम लिमिट. आप अगर जर्मनी आपकी टारगेट कंट्री में है अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल अदर कंट्रीज, तो आप एपीएस का प्रोसेस सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करो. बिकॉज स्टूडेंट का इसमें डाउट ये होता है, आपको ऑफर लेटर तो रिसीव हो जाएगा यूनिवर्सिटी से, देन आप स्टक हो जाओगे इन द वीजा प्रोसेस. देन स्टूडेंट आफ्टर रिसीविंग ऑफर लेटर उसके बाद एपीएस का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करता है. सो दैट इज अ वेरी tedious like process for all the international student. So first thing, आप mindset should be very clear जर्मनी इज इन माई ड्रीम कंट्री लिस्ट, तो आप APS का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करिए एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सो इसमें डॉक्यूमेंट आपका देयर इज नो मेजर डॉक्यूमेंट इज नीडेड. लाइक आपका ऑफर लेटर नहीं चाहिए होता है, इसमें ऑल योर एकेडमिक डॉक्यूमेंट, ऑल योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस LOR एंड योर प्रोफेसर का LOR, सो दैट डॉक्यूमेंट इज नीडेड इन द APS सर्टिफिकेट.
आइडियली कितना टाइम लगता है APS
इसमें अभी इट्स लाइक टाइम 20 to 25 days.
तो जो बोलते हैं 20-25 डेज में मिल जाता है.
हाँ, उसके बाद आप एटलीस्ट वीजा प्रोसेस यू कैन
इनिशिएट. हाउ वाज योर एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस विद APS? हो गया था 20-25 डेज में?
हाँ, मेरा हो गया था. हाँ, थोड़ा सा डिले, मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि हो रहा है,
Okay.
बट इवेंचुअली हो गया था, मतलब टाइमली.
डिले हो रहा है इन व्हाट सेंस?
I mean, I didn't get it in the initial days of 25 days, I suppose. तो क्योंकि कुछ मुझे बच्चों से सुनने को आ रहा था, कुछ स्टूडेंट से बाकी के, that they will be that even their APS is getting delayed.
Okay.
Yes. तो मुझे लगा कि शायद से I could be one of them, but
Okay.
I was not eventually. I mean, I got it in the time span of 30 days.
ओके, तो ये जो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स आप कनेक्ट करो, लाइक इट्स अ पूल, लाइक फेसबुक कम्युनिटीज होते हैं.
I am talking about Indians and not particularly of Delhiites.
ओके.
Yeah.
नो, हाउ आर यू कनेक्टिंग विद दीस स्टूडेंट्स? आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं जो हैं?
I got to meet such people via Facebook, via
Okay.
WhatsApp, and there were some groups, like via from whom जिनसे मैंने कांटेक्ट किया.
ठीक है, कनेक्शन से कनेक्शंस एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद एंटायर जर्मनी वीजा?
ओके, सबसे पहला जो अभी मैम ने पॉइंट बोला APS का, एकेडमिक इवैल्यूएशन सेंटर. सो बेसिकली इसमें आपके सारे जितने भी आपके एकेडमिक्स के होते हैं वो सारे उसके अंदर जाते हैं. दे जस्ट सिंपली रीचेक कि ये सारे जितने भी हैं आर दे इवन ऑथेंटिक और नॉट. सो बेसिकली ऑथेंटिक इज द वर्ड. ओके, एंड दे जस्ट चेक कि आपने ये जो जितनी भी आपकी एजुकेशन है, आपने जितनी भी जहाँ से भी स्टडीज करी हैं, ये सारी ठीक है या नहीं है. क्योंकि इन सम ईयर्स देयर वर सम ईयर्स जिसमें आया था कि बच्चे कभी कभार आगे जाने के लिए या जल्दी जल्दी प्रोसेसिंग की वजह से दे मेक द फेक डॉक्यूमेंट्स.
Yes.
तो ऑथेंटिकेशन ना सिर्फ जर्मनी के लिए बट इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इक्वली ही उतनी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
एब्सोल्युटली.
So that is why APS center is there. It was not, I mean, it did not exist before. तो इसका जो existence है वो I suppose पिछले 1.5 सालों से आया है, 1.5 years back. इससे पहले students had to go through the long process कि सबसे पहले they had to go to the German embassy, they had to do what not. But अब हमारा ये जो process है ये काफी shorten हो गया है.
तो अभी प्रोसेस क्या है कि APS एंड सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स बायोमेट्रिक्स होता है. व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस अगर पॉइंटर वाइज बोले तो?
Okay. तो if you're thinking, I mean, if a student has decided that they have to go to Germany, तो सबसे पहला जो चीज होता है वो ये होता है कि APS वाला जो होता है प्रोसेस, they have to go through that.
ओके.
इट इज अ मैंडेटरी थिंग फॉर एवरीवन.
ठीक है.
हाँ, उसके बाद जैसे ही आपका APS वाला आ जाता है, देन यू हैव टू फिल एन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म टू द यूनिवर्सिटी. देन यू दैट इज द टाइम जिसमें हमने पहले बात करी है कि इसके अंदर आपको सारे SOP, सारे LOR वो सब कुछ चाहिए होता है. या जब आपको एक बार एक्सेप्टेंस लेटर आ जाता है, एंड आई रिमेंबर माई स्टोरी, मेरे जो CS थे, मतलब मुझे आई वॉज सो होपलेस. मुझे जर्मनी के किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी से कोई भी बेसिकली आई डिडंट गेट एनी रिवॉर्ड. मुझे कुछ रिवॉर्ड ही नहीं आया था. इट वॉज नाइदर अ रिजेक्शन नॉर एन एक्सेप्टेंस.
दे केप्ट यू हैंगिंग.
एग्जैक्टली. ठीक है. तो मुझे वो लगा कि अच्छा अब क्या होगा. बट देन देयर वाज दिस टाइम व्हेन आई लॉस्ट ऑल माय होप. आई गॉट दिस एडमिशन letter from one of the universities known as University of Göttingen, which is in the Göttingen city itself. तो मुझे वहाँ से आया and I was on cloud 9. Yeah.
ठीक है.
हाँ, so I suppose these are the processes that one has to go through. But one thing I like to add is to please apply for an appointment at VFS wherever you are living in. Please apply for an appointment way prior to when you actually want to go for it. क्योंकि टाइम पर ना मिलती नहीं है अपॉइंटमेंट.
Right.
Even I had to struggle a lot for that. But luckily I found one. And even recently when I was surfing on my Facebook page yesterday, I could see so many people जो कि उनको अभी भी अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिल रही है. And they were supposed to go next month.
Right.
Yeah.
So that bullish attitude care अभी कर लेते हैं जल्दी से, front loading things is very much
Please don't
important.
keep it hanging. Please don't do that.
So
Yeah.
इसमें I would like to add one point कि अपॉइंटमेंट लेने के लिए ही आपको APS सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत होती है. So इसके लिए ही like आपका APS नंबर इज like very important to book your visa appointment in Germany. So इसमें भी देयर इज अ प्रोसेस कि जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम वेबसाइट पे अपना क्रेडेंशियल्स एंड ऑल लॉगिन क्रिएट करोगे, सो आपका फर्स्ट लाइक एरर आएगा कि स्टिल यू हैव वैलिड APS सर्टिफिकेट. तब भी आपका एरर विल शो इन द डैशबोर्ड कि आपका APS नंबर एंड पासपोर्ट इज इनकरेक्ट. तो उसके लिए हमें VFS को लाइक चेज करना पड़ता है कि वाई आई एम गेटिंग दिस एरर. हमें मल्टीपल मेल्स एंड उसके साथ ही हमें ये प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व करनी पड़ती है. सो दैट इज अ वेरी important and also a very time consuming process also.
Continuous
Right, continuous efforts.
Exactly.
Like
You have to
put on.
keep a follow up. You have to keep a follow up every single day. Otherwise, they will not reward you for anything. I'm not saying that they are very lazy or hazy about it. But definitely you have to keep a follow up, just for yourself, just for the sake of any emergency कि क्या पता कुछ भी हो, मतलब क्या पता आपकी फाइल खुदा ना खास्ता कहीं पर खो गई हो या कुछ भी हो गया, मिसप्लेस हो गई हो. Yeah, so it's better to take a follow up.
So you should be on your feet rather than expecting them कि वही सब करके दे देंगे.
Absolutely.
अपने
And
तरफ
it
से
goes for everyone out there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So last thing, अभी finally क्या करें? What are the steps? अभी accommodation part time job रहता है. What are the next steps that we are planning on?
So इसमें like पार्ट टाइम जॉब एंड एकोमोडेशन इज पेंडिंग. सो एकोमोडेशन के लिए जर्मनी में देयर इज अ थिंग कि आपको मेनली जैसे अदर कंट्रीज में हमें एकोमोडेशन मिल जाते हैं इन द वेबसाइट लाइक सीटा एम्बर. सो इसके लिए लाइक देयर इज अ डिफरेंट प्रोसेस फॉर गेटिंग एकोमोडेशन इन जर्मनी. सो इसमें आप सबसे पहले यूनिवर्सिटी को रीच आउट करते हो. यूनिवर्सिटी आप एलुमनाई को रीच आउट करते हो. आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप टेलीग्राम पे कनेक्ट करते हो फॉर लाइक गेटिंग एनी लीड्स लाइक रिगार्डिंग accommodation because the thing is very confidential in Germany. वो डायरेक्टली आपको ऐसे वेबसाइट में अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को लिस्ट नहीं करते हैं. सो दैट इज अ वेरी लाइक क्रूशियल स्टेप्स ऑल्सो कि आपको लगता है हमारा वीजा आ जाएगा विद इन 1 to 2 मंथ में, आप तुरंत यूनिवर्सिटी को रीच आउट करो टू सॉर्ट आउट योर एकोमोडेशन एंड ऑल दीज रिमेनिंग थिंग्स. एंड द पार्ट टाइम जॉब इज ऑल्सो लाइक सेम लाइक एकोमोडेशन ऑल्सो. वो भी इतना कुछ रिवील नहीं करते हैं इन द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. द पार्ट टाइम जॉब के लिए आपको जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडीड है एंड मैं वो वेबसाइट के वो भूल गई, ऑनलाइन जॉब पोर्टल.
That's why there's a website for
वो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमें वो ऑनलाइन जॉब पोर्टल पे ही रीच आउट करना पड़ता है. लाइक रीड हो गया एंड देयर इज अ वन मोर CV लाइब्रेरी. उस पे हमें फर्स्ट आप कवर लेटर अपलोड करो, अपना ऑफर लेटर अपलोड करो, वीजा अप्रूवल लेटर अपलोड
Lots of
करो.
documents.
There's a lots of document. उसके बाद ही यूनिवर्सिटी एंड यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू भी आपको यूनिवर्सिटी बुलेटिन एंड सम यूनिवर्सिटी पोर्टल एंड करियर पेज के थ्रू भी यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द part-time job in Germany. So for the two things, for the accommodation and for the part-time jobs के लिए things are very confidential in Germany. So आपको थोड़ा सा very strategical approach से जाना पड़ता है कि आप यूनिवर्सिटी में alumni को reach out करो. Even the part-time job के लिए भी is the same process. You have to follow.
मतलब जर्मनी में एक चीज ये है कि किसी भी चीज के लिए तुम भगवान के भरोसे नहीं बैठ सकते. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ तो और ना यू कैन नॉट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीवन फॉर एनीथिंग.
Right.
Absolutely,
ठीक है. तुम्हें एवरीवन although you will get abundance of help, but again at the same time you have to take an action from yourself as well.
Exactly. You can't just rely on anyone. You are the person responsible for it.
Absolutely.
ठीक है. तो अभी कल भी कनेक्ट करना है आप लोगों को.
एंड वन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, आप जर्मनी प्रोसेस के लिए एजेंट जो ये होते हैं ना, एजेंट से आप कभी कनेक्ट मत करिए. एजेंट इज लाइक जो स्कैमर जो आप जब आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप और इसमें कनेक्ट होते हो ना, सो फॉर द बेसिकली अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग के लिए they ask you to like 50,000 60,000 bucks for one appointment. But आप खुद से try करो, that is a process. आप APS certificate time पे done करो, उसके बाद VFS को chase करो like regarding your to fix this error. उसके बाद 4-5 दिन regularly just follow up on the website कि if appointment is available or not. So that is a process will help to you rather than for connecting any random person to book your slots in Germany.
Absolutely. This I agree क्योंकि I think not just in visa. आप अगर normally यूनिवर्सिटी सिलेक्शन की बात करो, there are many people like फ्री में पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी करना है करके दे देंगे. Lot of things like I think it's there for everything कि करना है we'll do it, but you should know how to choose, whom to choose, किस पे अपना ट्रस्ट रख सकते हो या नहीं.
That is very important.
And खुद से भी you have to be involved. You can't blindly put your faith कि यार उनको दे दिया वो कर लेंगे. So yes, that's it. कल का सेशन किस बारे में आप लोगों का?
कल का सेशन there's a discussion like अभी accommodation is pending, part time jobs is pending, and
Finances.
document checklist is pending. So it's all
अभी भी
about
चीजें रहती हैं.
it's a part of the process, I would
I
say.
think acceptance letter and getting a visa, I think it is all a thing of setting your foot in the market. इसके बाद तुम्हारा जो सारा जो मेन चीज है ना, उसके बारे में हमारी कल डिस्कशन है.
Okay. Yes. So जो इतना लाइट में होता नहीं, but it's actually important, very important. ठीक है, perfect. That's it. Thank you so much, Prachi. Thank you, Ruchika.
Thank you.
So every student, they come with their own story, and we have with us one, Ruchika. Fulfilling all her dreams, she's going to German Public University. 1st of April flight here. With this, we end our podcast. We wish you all the luck, Ruchika, for all your future endeavors.
Thank you.